Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video of me building my sofa. This is the Kivik sectional from Ikea. Here I'm assembling it myself. I did attempt to order the third-party people to assemble the sofa for me, but then it was going to take a few days for them to come in to do so, and my husband was at work and I was a bit impatient, so I decided to do it myself. Here I'm trying to find the manual. I thought it would be inside this box here with the actual sofa itself, but it wasn't, and I did have a hard time finding them. It was actually with the covers. So if you guys are building this Kivik sofa, go look into the smaller boxes with the covers and you'll find the manuals there. So at this point, I decided to just move forward and go ahead and continue with assembling the sofa. I gave up. I should have just checked the other two boxes, but I just didn't want to open up everything because I wanted it to be, I would say, an organized mess. As I was working through this, I didn't want to become overwhelmed and then have too much out because time is of the essence lately and I have to work with my boss's schedule. So I just moved forward. I will be adding pictures of the manual as I'm working through building this sofa for you guys. So if you need that as a reference, if you're watching this because you just purchased one, and this will be very helpful for you, I hope. I'm gonna stop talking now and allow you guys to enjoy the time lapse.
Look left, look right. And I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high. Taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life. Whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high. But I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a come with a hook right. And I come with a hook right. And I come with a hook right. And I come with a come with a and I come with a hook right. And I come with a hook right. And I come with a hook right. And I come with a taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life. Whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right.